Hi guys, my name is Dion Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very excited today. My shopping stuff went really well today and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. I'm just going to do Walgreens today unless I feel like doing it a little bit later. But I'm very excited for everything I got, and Fetch is having that Fetchaholic or whatever, and that's fantastic too. And just Ibotta is rocking, and CVS was good, and Walgreens was good. But we're gonna go to Walgreens today. Just tell me how you guys are doing. Our mornings are cooler, but then today got up to like 76. So, but I enjoyed it and stuff like that. So, but thank you for tuning in, and thank you. They canceled my thing this week for my scope, but I'm going to get another scope like around November 3rd or 5th. So if you guys keep me in your prayers, because I've got to figure out what's going on with me. So, but God bless you guys, and thank you for tuning in. If you haven't tuned into my station, I very much appreciate it, and thank you for all the continuing people that have supported me all along. So God bless you guys. My first transaction, okay, I had a 10 off a 10 booster. So I think it worked out really well. I ended up buying these. These were $4.50 a piece. There was a $2 digital. And then I ended up, they changed it. It used to be small spaces, and now I'm so used to, now they're calling it bathroom. So, but the Febreze, and it's $3.20 or $3.49, and I had a $2 digital. So altogether I had $6 for everything. So it was around $12 and I think 14 cents or 16 cents with tax. But I ended up taking these $6 minus off of it. So I ended up paying $6.49 with tax. It was $7.16. So here's this for the Colgate, and then the Febreze bathroom. There's it ended up being the 2 and 2. So like I said, I paid $17.16 out of pocket. I don't know why it went low, but it ended up that I ended up getting a $4 register reward back for the Colgate. Well, I ended up taking that Colgate coupon register reward and putting it into the next. Well, my next one, these are $6 a piece, or $5 a piece, excuse me. So $10. And I had to keep scanning them because all of them aren't doing it right. So, but I ended up paying $5 a piece for it. There's a $4 digital. And then I used the $4 from the previous one to roll into this. So altogether, 4 and 4, my subtotal was, it said -2. So I ended up getting these for 0 out of pocket. So I think that is a fantastic deal. So then I ended up taking the $4 register reward that I just got. Oh, here's this. Okay. Okay, here's the Dove. $5, $5. There's the 4, and I ended up, oh, subtotal -2. So out of pocket, it was 0. So then I ended up taking that other $4 register reward. I ended up buying these jumbo Olay body wash. And in my store, it says $10.99, but I think I heard something say about the penny a piece, they're rolling it over or something. So it was $22 for these. But there's a $7 digital coming off of that. So I think that is a good deal. And then I rolled my $4 register reward. So out of pocket for it, I ended up getting $12.14. But I got $10 for the booster, $10 for the booster of spending $10, get $10 back for buying the two Colgate, and then the bathroom. So altogether, then it was $12.14. I rolled my $12 or $10 register reward into it. So then I ended up paying $2.14 out of pocket. And I used $3 in Walgreens cash. Oh, $3 cash, sorry. But, like I said, I ended up using the $10, if you can see it. There it is. Okay, $10 in registry, Walgreens cash, where I got for the 10 off a 10 booster. So I ended up paying $2.14 out of pocket for that one. And then my last one, I ended up having where I got $5 for the Old Spice registry reward. So I rolled it into this next one. Okay, the next one I ended up buying 2 Purex and this Dawn Power Wash, Easy Squeeze. Okay, so that total was, these are $1.99. There's no coupons here, but there's coupons in Ibotta. So I ended up, then I submitted to Ibotta for $2 back for each one of these, so that was $4. Then I submitted to Ibotta for 2 of these, and so they were $1 a piece. So I ended up, on that last one, I used a $5 and then a $2 register reward for oh, I'm sorry, $2 for the Dawn. This was $3.98, and then there was $2, so you pay $1.98 for this. So altogether, my total with the $5 for the previous one for buying 2 of these, I rolled it into the next one. So I ended up paying $97 out of pocket, so $1.07, and then I ended up doing that, so I paid $1.07 for it. So I think that is a fantastic deal. So altogether out of pocket, on the first one, $7.16. On the second one, it was totally free for this. And then for the Old Spice, I rolled the $10 in registry reward or Walgreens cash that I got from my $10 booster. So I ended up having to pay cash. So it ended up that I paid $2.14 out of that pocket. And then this last one, I paid for this, I ended up paying $1.07. But I got $2 back from Ibotta for buying 2 of these for $1 for each one. And then I got $4 for this. So altogether, I got $6 back from Ibotta. And out of pocket before Ibotta, I ended up having 7. That was free. 7, 8, 9, 10. So about $10.40. And I ended up getting $6 back from Ibotta. So it was $4 and like 50 cents for all this. For this, buying 2 Dove, buying 2 of these, buying a toothpaste, toothbrush, and the bathroom. So I got 8 items for $4 plus change, plus tax. So like I said, this alone was $22 for 2 of them. And I got these, everything for $4 plus change. So thank you for tuning in. God bless you. and I'll put my referral code down for Ibotta. So if you're new to Ibotta, you end up getting $5 back from my referral. So God bless you guys, and I hope you guys can score. Bye.